Like most BMW owners, my door handles are sticky like bubble gum in the sun, and it's really nasty. People get in and grab this and they're like, yeah. When it's hot, it actually puts black residue on your fingers. So I bought these from Amazon, and of course there's a jet flying over the top right now. Supposedly these just clip right on. You don't have to remove the entire door panel like the other replacements. These just clip right on. We'll see if that's actually the case. And yeah, let's see if this is this side. I don't think that is. Let me get the other one. They were cheap, I think 12-15 bucks or something. If that's all it takes to fix this issue, it's a deal. Yeah, it looks like that's got nice it's not smooth plastic, it's like soft to the touch almost. It's pretty nice. It's like a coating on there. Let's see if they just clip right on. No way. Oh my God. They're seamless. It doesn't feel like there's anything over the top of it. Holy cow. Problem solved. The dealer wanted hundreds of dollars to replace this because you have to take the door panel off. These are a miracle in a box. Oh my God, they feel nice too. They're kind of silky. Wow. The fit is awesome. It just clips right over the old one. There we go. Need to push that in a little bit better. There we go. Nice. You didn't even feel anything. Look at that. The fit is awesome on these. Awesomeness. Sticky bubblegum doors are gone. Can't wait to do the other driver's door. That one's even worse. Let's do that one now. Oh, I'm excited to do it. That one's 10 times worse than this side. Sticky bubblegum doors. Look at it. You can feel it. It's nasty. Gross. Clip. All right. Look at that. So easy. Look at the fit. I can't believe they got the fit that good. Wow. Oh, it's silky smooth. It's not like smooth, slippery plastic. It's got like a silky feel to it. It's so nice. Oh yeah. Worth every penny. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Wow. No more bubblegum doors. Miracle worker. Yes. This is the M Sport 335i.